Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when you can't sign in to the PlayStation Network on your PS5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you can't sign into your PlayStation account, this could be a relatively easy fix. On the home screen, if we go over to like the PlayStation Store and then go to sign in right here, in the bottom right, it says forget password. If we press the triangle button, we can send a reset password email to our email listed above. And then just go to next. And then you can reset your password and then try signing in with that new password just in this screen right here. And you may be able to log in now and sign in to PlayStation Network. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that you can do for step 2 is to go to the home screen and then go to settings, then go to users and accounts, then go on down to users right here, and then go to your PlayStation account that's causing you trouble. So the first one is Timble Slice. I'm going to go ahead and go to the trash can right next to that name, and then I'm going to delete it off my PlayStation 5 and then re-add it. Now, when you delete a profile from your PlayStation 5, it will delete the saved data, screenshots, and video clips from that user on your PlayStation 5. So everything will be gone. Now you can re-download the saved data if you have PlayStation Plus, so that may not be a big issue. But if the account you're deleting doesn't have PlayStation Plus, you may want to back that up on a USB stick. So let's go to OK now and delete everything. And I have to close this application first before I do that. Now, when you go ahead and delete a user, you will also be turning off console sharing and offline play for that specific user. Now, we can always just turn this back on when we add them back to my PlayStation. So let's go to yes. And this user is now being deleted. Let's go to the PlayStation button, press that now. All right, now let's go over to add user and go to get started. Go to I agree. And then let's add them back into my PlayStation. So let's sign in with the email address and password now and see if that works. All right, let's go to sign in. And now that user's back on my PlayStation, I can sign in. Now, if those first two methods didn't work out, what you could do is go to settings again, and then scroll on down to network. Under network, go to settings and go to set up internet connection. Then under here, find your current network that you're using. So I'm using Wired LAN 1 and press options on it. Then go to advanced settings. Now under here, go to the primary DNS and type in 1.1.1.1. Press R2 and done. Then go to the secondary DNS and type in 1.0.0.1. Press R2 and done. And then you can go to the MTU settings and go to manual and type in 1473. Now, if this doesn't work for the primary and secondary DNS, type in 8.8.8, just like this. Then go to the secondary DNS and type in 8.8.8.4.4, press R2 and done, and then go to OK. Then you want to go ahead and test your internet connection and see if one of these works for you. So it's connecting to the internet. So hopefully one of the 3 tips I showed you helped you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.